Hey, what is up guys? Sid here from Rex Tech, back with another video on Rex Tech's Quick Tips. And in this video, we are going to be talking about how you can get paid by Google by answering just simple surveys. So get this, Google has an application, a free application in the Play Store that you can download right now called Google Opinion Rewards. But all you gotta do is download and install the application. After which, on opening it, you have to sign in with your Google account, which as any Google application would. After which it asks you a few questions that gathers information about you. Now this isn't part of the paying survey, but if you want to increase the frequency at which you get those payable surveys, all you gotta do is whitelist this application, Google Opinion Rewards, from any sort of performance enhancing features, battery enhancing features, or background data limitation features on your smartphone, and allow all sorts of notification features. And you should be alerted at any time with this notification, which gives you a much more higher opportunity to answer those surveys before they disappear. And in the terms of payment, you actually get paid from anywhere between 1 to 10 rupees on average. And very rarely do you get paid around 50 rupees in one survey. And once you get paid, you can use them for any form of Google services or Google payment methods. So in case you want to get that YouTube Premium subscription, you can save up to that certain amount. You can pay for the first time to get those first 2 months free, which also includes the payment for the third month. That's actually a pretty big deal. On a whole, you can pay for any form of Google services available. You can even pay for applications that are ad-free applications and premium applications that require a payment in order to give you enhanced features. So these are the ways you can earn money from Google and give it back to them. By answering surveys for them, you get paid, and by purchasing premium applications and subscribing to their services, you also pay back to Google. But that wraps it up for this video. Hope you liked it. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell icon, check out rexmediagroups.com and the social media links in the video description. Support us on Patreon, and we'll see you guys in the next one.